All right, once again, we're back to another tutorial. This time I'm showing you how to use the PSC Search. Now, what PSC stands for is a product service code. And these are numbers that the United States government gives to different products. And this is just another way that we can search. So if we're looking for t-shirts, we can put in t-shirts into the PSC search, and it's going to search through, I'm sure, t-shirts. There is a whole lot of different product service codes, so it's taking a second. But once again, it's going to dig through the archives, and it's going to bring up all these different product service codes. Now, once again, you guys, some of these have literally thousands and thousands and thousands of them that have to do that with that. So if you happen to sell t-shirts, which are men's outerwear, the PSC code would be 8405. If you do women's outerwear, it's 8410. You can take any of these key numbers and we can go place those into an opportunity search. And all that that's going to do is make it so that we can see different products that the government is looking for that fall under that. So here, you can see they're doing aircrew combat coat and trousers, unisex, women's, and maternity. They're looking for different projects for that, and many other things for women's clothing, women's blue coats, more women's blue coats, so on and so forth. So once again, this is another way with PSC search that you can also take this and add this to an auto search so that also SAMstream is also searching for when that code comes up if you sell a specific product. So once again, PSC is product service code, and these are numbers that are assigned to every single product that the government buys. Once again, you guys, it is very reliant on them using the correct code, which they don't always do, to find those. So also, the other thing is, sometimes when you're setting up searches, which we went over in a different video, just using women's clothing or key terms like that, women's will also help narrow those down. But if you have a certain product that you sell, you need to figure out the product service code that is associated with that to make the searching even better. Thank you very much. This was a quick video. We will see you guys on the next one.